Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If you are facing YouTube error code 152-18, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you are facing this problem, then long press on your YouTube app and go to the app info. Now click on the force stop. Once stop it, go back and restart your phone by pressing the power button and hold. After doing this step, if the error is persist, then next go to the Play Store. Now search here YouTube and check for update. If update is available, then update it. Otherwise, follow the next step. Long press on your YouTube app and go to the app info. Now click on the storage. Now clear data and cache from here. After doing this step, check the problem. I hope your problem may be fixed. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.